Guys, I just did a half a kilometer around over at JB Nature Farm and Resort here in Sukailang, Surigao City. Yes, that's it. It's very amazing place. It's just a silent paradise in Barangay Sukailang. So anyway, I'm supposed to do some community runs, but I decided nah, I'll just roam around the resort for a while, and maybe tomorrow I'll do my full run, going to the highway. That's almost 5 kilometer, 3 kilometer run. So yeah, so for now I just gotta explore the ups and downs. Oh, grabe hangak. The ups and downs of JB Nature Farm and Resort at Sukailang, Surigao City. It's a good place to do trainings, do wedding events, and maybe photo shoots. And of course, the best of all, it's running. It's perfect trail run. At the same time, you can also do road runs. So for me, I highly recommend this place. It's just my first time to be here, but it's really amazing here. People are warm. Yes, mga nanay, ni tatay, they really approach you, say good morning to you, and all this stuff. So anyways, welcome. And let's do a quick run. Let's try to do some pace here. No, not LSD. Some good pace where we can get through in this run. So I want you to be with me. Don't go there. Just watch me suffer. or else watch me enjoy this run. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Kapura ba mag-selfie? Yeah. Yeah, there's already 1 kilometer. Okay, here we go. Yay. Oh. It's downhill. So just focus on the road, not me. So a little bit of downhill. Yeah. A little bit of downhill. Here we go. Yeah, si Nanay. Morning, Nay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Here we go. Some more video announcement for me. Yeah. Here we go. Some short pace. Let's just measure this one up. I'm turning on my Strava and Yayu from this watch. So just monitor it here. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, sell it. Here we go. Shaky ba? Shaky ba, guys? Oh, here we go. Feel a few more intense in this part. And it's a great place to be here. And we're going uphill. Let's see how many steps can we make, how many calories we can burn, how long distance we can cover. They get their convention hall. And the other we're staying is the training hall. It's a swimming pool. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go, guys. Just breathe. And of course, the grand view here at JB Nature Farm and Resort. Wow, there you go. Oh, wow, it's nice. So this is really perfect for trail runs, and so I think this is the run. This is a farm. I'm gonna vlog. I forget the name of the guy, together with the owner. So we'll cover that distance. Here we go. Let's do this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy you today. Here we go. So JB is not just JB Nature Farm Resort. It's not just a resort where you can stay, or but you can conduct training. At the same time, it's also a FITS. It's also a learning school. So for farmers, accredited school, yeah, learning school for farmers. So you got bananas, you got multi-crops, I got this few more good stuff. You can learn at the same time. You can enjoy nature, and of course, sweet retreat for you to recharge and maybe perhaps do some planning. And there you go. That's accredited. It's a unified TVET accreditation system. So it's gotta be. So if you're staying here, it's more than just one package. So yeah, I love to bring my kids here, enjoy nature, enjoy farming. It's gonna be the next frontier. So I hope you guys can visit this place, enjoy this place like me. And for all runners out there, you can really certainly do trail runs like now. Trail runs. Yeah. Good thing I decided to pick my running shoes, the Cloud running shoes. You can go trail, you can go on road. Thank you, Aki Shoes Collections online. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Watch me suffer, guys. Watch me suffer. Yes. So many places, so many things to do here. You can do a outdoor riding here. Yes. It's very nice. You can do your outdoor wedding. You can have your church wedding reception later. It's a very nice place. Perfect. Wow, there you go. Let me see the clouds. Catch my breath. I think that's CSUN in Surigao City. There. The grand view here at JB Nature Farm and Resort. Love this. Swimming pool, running grounds, healthy environment, nature, and most of all, learning facility. So you can enjoy some stuff and sorts in the agricultural world, in the farming world, I should say. Here we go. Tailing up. Watch me suffer. Watch me suffer, guys. Yeah, we're almost there. 1 kilometer, almost there. I get playgrounds also for kids there. Yeah, it's kind of not yet fully cleaned up, but still messy with a little bit. But who stands in the way with a swimming pool with kids? Nobody can stand in the way with swimming pools, and you're with kids. And while you're at it, you can do your runs. Yay! Love it. This is JB Nature Farm and Resort. People support local and promote local and stay local or buy local. Can do this. We're going to we're going to the seminar area, which is very grand. We call it eco-friendly area. No air conditioning. Actually, it's fully air conditioned. It's pretty fully air conditioned with all oxygen passing in and out. No air con, just full air conditioning. So yeah, it's a boot camp. risers. Alright, we got early risers in the house. Here we go. 1 kilometer. That's the place. Receiving area still closed. Yeah. Here we go. 1 kilometer more. Hindi naman mag-alert kung 1 kilometer. Ikapoy naman siguro kung tracker. Glamping / training / enjoying / reflecting / what else? What else? What else could you get better? Oh. There you go. Finally. Happy na. 1 kilometer. In uphill. It's uphill climb here at JB Nature Farm and Resort. That's how it is. If you feel like dying, the more you feel like it's good to be living, diba? It's like resurrecting. Here it is. JB Nature Farm and Resort run for me. Hello, tatay. Madjawang na buntag. Ayan. Tagabutuan, sir. Yes. Yes, here we go. Mga staff nila, ang bait. Going for the 2nd kilometer. Hopefully my numbers count well. I'll just flash my Strava later. 2 kilometers. Yay! Here we go. Here we go. We're going for 3 kilometers. Yeah, sa tanang mga Team Pares there. I miss you. I miss running with you at Bonbon. But I ain't gonna stand down. I gotta do this. I'm gonna run while I can and run while I'm away. Not with you all. Team Paris, Team Forza, Butuan Runners Club. Yo, thank you, Sub 30. And thank you for the one who gave this 10-kilometer shirt finisher. Woo! What a trophy. Just even wearing this shirt feels me like Superman. Because this is the sub 60 challenge with the PICE Agusan del Norte chapter. I think for me it's the first sub 60 on the record held in Butuan City. Yes, we runners need to finish sub 60 before they can get the medal. Whew. Still loving it. Yeah. So to climb up the swimming pool, just experience the poolside experience. Catching up my breath. There we go. See that? Mu-wave po ni Kuya. Mu-wave na eh. Oh, it's really a wave later. They're still cleaning it. See that? So I've done my 2-kilometer. Later I'll be doing live. Hopefully the signal's good. But nonetheless, so doing a vlog. So again, to all the Laba community out there, to all the running communities over at Caraga region, shouting out. Yes, Laba community, Bayugan community runners, Cabadbaran City, Daragan Cabadbaran community runners. Sino pa? San Francisco Also some people at Tagbina. Also some people at Barbo. Yeah. So all you guys out there, this is perfect for trail run, pacing run, like uphill and downhill. I don't know, just check my Strava later. And a place to stay for the family. So I reckon, I remember, if you were going to run all through these pathwalks and the trails, just one run of it gets you 0.75 kilometer. So you gotta do what you gotta do. This is the hillside fields. Just climb up at the slides. Yeah, you can check them on Facebook. They're on Facebook. JB Nature Farm and Resort. Very nice slides, wave pool. So we're just gonna climb upstairs to cover more distance, to cover more cardio, uphill, downhill, sort of. And here we go. You're gonna slide. Yeah, I wish I could slide. The view, guys. The view. Yeah. So rocky. The rocks, guys. Only JB. It's kind of really crazy because murag pa inani sa Butuan area. Nice sprinkles pero it's just really flat. Naikatong sa some part. Some are going to Tungao. I forgot. Wala pa ko kadto po sa may bansa or sa may babag. Basag ba to? Babag. Basag dahil. But yeah, I'll try to go there if I can. So nasa mag-open ko ya ang waypool. Nanay maligo. Pila ang per head? 100. Pero bantayan ka dun niyo. Naiko ano, guard. Ayan, kaya Chico Bibo. Ayan. See you in my Facebook, my YouTube. I got a shower. And yeah, this is it. Covering my 3K. Going for 3K. Crazy, ain't it? Hopefully I can cover less than 30 minutes for the 3K. Won't stop running and walking and talking. Here we go, guys. Oh. The grand view. Isn't it nice? Sick, yeah, very nice. Should be here. Si JB Verdad of Team Forza, Nikki, Red, the rest of you guys stay here. I know JB you have a resort. Si JB, I know you have a resort. Why don't you invite me there someday, okay? So shout out sa tanan nga mga idol sa sub 30. Sir Jiggy, thank you. Pastor, Ma'am Marisa, thank you, Ma'am, for the opportunity. Sir Ellie, hello Carrie, God bless you, sir. And sa lahat ng mga crew ng sub 30, may mga bago kong followers, sila ni Sublimer, Ryan, and I forgot all those pretty ladies in sub 30. Team Lalak, and basta gwapa manggudi kay nakinumduman ang pangalan. So, and to all you guys out there, mga crew ng sub 30 events and prints, thank you always for giving me a chance to go back to my running mode, to my running era, and most of all, the blessings shared. Sa lahat ng mga nag-join ng mga sub 30 runs, we salute you all sa patience, sa humility, and of course understanding, because di ba tanan perfect, no? And also there are times na lapses sa runner, times lapses sa, of course, crowd. You can't control all the crowd running into the finish line. Lami kay pambunalan ta nagtilig to ko, pero well, it's fun. it's run. So we can't do that. So we just have to please say, please don't stay there. But along the way, ang magsuffer ang mga organizers because sometimes di naging mabantayan. And napayuban runners nga inig humag-run, mawala dayon. Ambot nga no, kay short pa daw kuno. Wa kay padungdung ka 42k short na kuno kay wa pa daw niabot 42.9 out or 41.5 lang. So ni dagat pa pala so ang talihing sa finishers di mo ka di mao. Anyways, just sharing the real talk there, okay? Everything's not perfect, but we just, one thing is for sure, you can have fun, okay? So, unless na lang kung naging something wrong. So anyway, God bless you all, and let's continue to pray while we run, while we do LSDs, while we do paces, while we do our own workouts. We continue to pray and give thanks to the Lord. And most of all, yeah, be thankful as always to your loved ones, to yourself, for making a stretch out of you, being healthy. I'll tell you frankly, guys, the last time I went to the hospital was, I was 28, 27 years old. And it's more than 20 years and I've never been back to the hospital. Major operations, and I thank God for that. Grateful for that. So God bless you all. Hopefully, guys, you enjoy your day. Again, it's Wednesday. Find wisdom. Most of all, you gotta pray. God bless. Dagan lang. Padayon lang. Ampo lang. Whew.